The ocean depths hold many secrets. Among the most captivating is the blue lobster. Imagine a creature that defies expectations, a splash of sapphire in a world of brown and green. Most lobsters wear a camouflage of red and brown. This helps them blend with their surroundings. But the blue lobster stands out, a rare and beautiful anomaly. These lobsters are not a different species. They are the same species as the common lobster, but with a twist in their genes. This genetic twist gives them their remarkable blue hue. The secret to the blue lobster's appearance lies in its genes. These fascinating creatures are a rare sight in the wild, with only about 1 in 2 million lobsters exhibiting this striking blue coloration. The blue color is due to a pigment called astaxanthin, which is typically red in most crustaceans. However, in blue lobsters, a unique genetic mutation changes how this pigment is processed. Astaxanthin is a red pigment found in many crustaceans, giving them their typical coloration. In most lobsters, astaxanthin binds with proteins to form a complex that appears red. In blue lobsters, a genetic mutation alters how they process astaxanthin. This mutation causes them to produce an excess of a certain protein called crustaceanin. Crustaceanin binds to astaxanthin in a unique way, changing its reflection and creating the vivid blue color that makes these lobsters so distinctive. This protein binds to astaxanthin in a unique way, changing its reflection and creating the vivid blue color. Under a microscope, the interaction between crustaceanin and astaxanthin can be observed, revealing the intricate details of this fascinating process. The intensity of the blue can vary. Some blue lobsters have a deep, almost royal blue color, while others display a lighter, more vibrant hue. Some lobsters are a deep, almost royal blue, which can be quite mesmerizing to observe. This deep blue is often the result of a higher concentration of crustaceanin binding to astaxanthin, while others have a lighter, more vibrant hue. These variations in color are not just visually striking, but also provide valuable insights into the genetic diversity within lobster populations. This variation is likely due to the specific genetic makeup of each individual lobster. Marine biologists continue to study these unique creatures to understand the full extent of the genetic factors involved. By recording data and observing these lobsters in controlled environments, scientists hope to uncover more about the genetic mutations that lead to such rare and beautiful colorations. Blue lobsters are incredibly rare. Imagine searching through 1 million lobsters and finding only one with this striking blue shell. That's how uncommon they are, making every encounter a special event. Scientists estimate that only 1 in 2 million lobsters are blue. This rarity makes them even more fascinating to researchers and the public alike. Even rarer are cotton candy lobsters. These lobsters display a pastel palette of blue and pink, a result of even more unusual genetic variations. These lobsters are truly 1 in 100 million. Over the years, there have been remarkable discoveries of blue lobsters in different parts of the world. Each discovery creates a buzz of excitement, reminding us of the hidden wonders that the ocean holds. In the waters off the coast of Maine, a state famous for its lobsters, fishermen have hauled in these sapphire surprises. One such discovery happened in Casco Bay, where a bright blue lobster was caught in a lobster trap. Another lucky find occurred on the coast of New Hampshire. These discoveries highlight that blue lobsters, while rare, are not confined to a single location. Section 5. Safeguarding the sapphire blue lobsters in captivity. Because of their rarity and the challenges they face in the wild, many blue lobsters find sanctuary in aquariums and research facilities. These places offer a controlled environment where the lobsters can thrive without the constant threat of predators. The staff at these facilities are dedicated to providing the best care possible, ensuring that the lobsters have a diet that meets all their nutritional needs and a habitat that mimics their natural surroundings as closely as possible. These institutions provide a safe haven where these unique creatures can live out their lives away from predators. The tanks are designed to replicate the lobster's natural habitat, complete with rocks, coral, and other marine life. This not only helps the lobsters feel more at home, but also allows visitors to see them in an environment that closely resembles their natural one. Aquariums play a crucial role in protecting blue lobsters. They serve as educational centers where the public can learn about these fascinating creatures and the importance of marine conservation. By showcasing blue lobsters, aquariums raise awareness about the challenges these animals face in the wild and the efforts being made to protect them. In the wild, their bright color makes them an easy target for predators. Blue lobsters stand out against the ocean floor, making them more visible to predators such as larger fish and octopuses. This increased visibility significantly reduces their chances of survival in their natural habitat. In the controlled environment of an aquarium, they are safe from harm. The staff monitors the water quality, temperature, and other conditions to ensure that the lobsters remain healthy. This level of care is crucial for their well-being, as even slight changes in their environment can have significant impacts on their health. Captivity also allows scientists to study these rare lobsters up close, learning more about their genetics, behavior, and the factors that contribute to their unique coloration. Research conducted in these facilities can lead to discoveries that may help in the conservation of not just blue lobsters, but other marine species as well. By understanding the genetic makeup and environmental needs of blue lobsters, scientists can develop strategies to protect them in the wild and ensure their survival for future generations. Section 6. Education and Conservation. The role of aquariums. Aquariums are not just homes for blue lobsters. They are also windows to the ocean depths for millions of visitors each year. By showcasing these rare and beautiful creatures, aquariums educate the public about marine life and the importance of conservation. When people see a blue lobster in person, it sparks curiosity and wonder. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity of life in our oceans. Aquariums often have educational displays about blue lobsters, explaining their rarity, the science behind their color, and the threats facing marine ecosystems. This helps raise awareness and inspire people to protect our oceans. Section 7. Cultural Currents. Blue lobsters in society. The allure of the blue lobster extends beyond the realm of science and conservation. Their striking appearance has captured the human imagination, becoming a symbol of rarity, luck, and the unexpected wonders of nature. In some cultures, blue lobsters are seen as a sign of good fortune. Their rarity makes them a prized catch for fishermen, who often see their discovery as a once-in-a-lifetime event. Blue lobsters have also inspired artists and craftspeople. Their image appears in paintings, pottery, and even jewelry, a testament to their enduring appeal. Section 8. Beyond the blue, celebrating marine biodiversity. The blue lobster, with its captivating color, serves as an ambassador for the vast and often unseen diversity of life in our oceans. Its existence reminds us that there is still so much to discover and protect beneath the waves. Our oceans are teeming with life, from microscopic plankton to giant whales. They are a delicate web of interconnected ecosystems, each species playing a vital role. Protecting marine biodiversity is crucial, not just for the sake of these creatures, but for the health of our planet. Oceans regulate our climate, provide food, and generate oxygen. Section 9. A call to action, protecting our ocean treasures. The story of the blue lobster is a reminder that we must cherish and safeguard the wonders of our natural world. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing pollution, and fishing responsibly, we can make a significant impact. The blue lobster, with its unique and rare beauty, symbolizes the incredible diversity of marine life that exists beneath the waves. It serves as a powerful reminder of the delicate balance that sustains our oceans and the urgent need to protect it. We can help ensure that future generations inherit healthy oceans teeming with life. Our oceans are home to countless species, each playing a vital role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, Every creature contributes to the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. By taking action now, we can preserve this incredible biodiversity for future generations to enjoy and learn from. Every action we take, no matter how small, can make a difference. Simple steps like picking up litter, recycling, and reducing our use of single-use plastics can have a profound impact on the health of our oceans. When we come together as a community, our collective efforts can lead to significant positive change. It's about creating a ripple effect where one good deed inspires another, and together we can make a lasting difference. By learning about marine life, supporting sustainable seafood choices, and advocating for policies that protect our oceans, we can drive meaningful change. Education is a powerful tool in the fight to protect our marine environments. When people understand the importance of marine conservation and the impact of their choices, they are more likely to take action. Supporting sustainable seafood markets and making informed choices about what we consume can help reduce the pressure on overfished species and promote healthier oceans. Reducing our plastic consumption is another crucial step. By opting for reusable bags, containers, and straws, we can significantly cut down on the amount of plastic waste that ends up in our oceans. Plastic pollution is one of the most pressing issues facing our marine environments today, and it requires immediate action. Every piece of plastic we refuse is one less piece that could potentially harm marine life. We can all play a part in protecting our oceans, whether it's through participating in beach cleanups, supporting marine conservation organizations, or simply making more environmentally friendly choices in our daily lives. Every effort counts. The beauty and health of our oceans depend on the actions we take today. By working together, we can ensure that our oceans remain vibrant and full of life for generations to come. Let the blue lobster be a symbol of hope. Its rarity and beauty remind us of the incredible wonders that our oceans hold. It inspires us to appreciate the fragility of life and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. The blue lobster's story is a testament to the resilience of nature and the potential for recovery if we take the necessary steps to protect it. Let its rarity inspire us to appreciate the fragility of life and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. When we see the wonder in a child's eyes as they gaze at marine life, we are reminded of the responsibility we have to protect these treasures for future generations. Our actions today will determine the health and vitality of our oceans tomorrow. The importance of preserving the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems cannot be overstated. By coming together as a global community, we can make a difference. Let us unite in our efforts to protect our oceans and ensure a sustainable future for all. Together, we can create a world where the beauty and diversity of our marine environments are cherished and preserved for generations to come.